Welcome to our journey through the intriguing chapters of Isaiah 25 to 28. These chapters are a powerful blend of prophecy, celebration, and reflection. What's fascinating is how these ancient texts resonate with timeless truths, painting a vivid picture of hope and restoration. Isaiah 25 begins on a jubilant note celebrating God's deliverance. It speaks of a time when God will swallow up death forever and wipe away the tears from all faces. Verse 9 highlights this hope. Surely this is our God. We trusted in him, and he saved us. It's a promise of salvation full of joy and anticipation. Moving on to Isaiah 26, we encounter a song of trust and praise. Verse 3 reminds us, "You will keep in perfect peace those whose minds are steadfast, because they trust in you." This chapter centers on trusting in God as an unshakable foundation. It invites us to find peace amid life's chaos by anchoring ourselves in divine trust. Isaiah 27 shifts to the imagery of a vineyard, symbolizing Israel.
God as the vineyard keeper promises protection and future fruitfulness. In verse 6, we read, "In days to come, Jacob will take root. Israel will bud and blossom and fill all the world with fruit." This verse underscores themes of growth, hope, and God's relentless care for his people. Chapter 28, on the other hand, serves as a cautionary tale against complacency. It begins with a warning of judgment against Ephraim's pride. Yet amid this dire warning, a promise peeks through. Verse 16 says, "See, I lay a stone in Zion, a tested stone, a precious cornerstone for a sure foundation. The one who relies on it will never be stricken with panic."
This cornerstone is a foundation of hope, urging us to build our lives wisely upon it. Together, Isaiah 25 to 28 weave a rich tapestry of divine hope, warning, and trust. These timeless messages remind us of the power of faith, the joy of salvation, and the firm foundation of trust in God's promises. They beckon us to look beyond present troubles to a glorious future orchestrated by a faithful God. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Isaiah. We hope these insights inspire and encourage you on your own journey of faith. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to keep the conversation going.
Here are some key verses to meditate on.
From Doodle Divine, aspiring to make the Bible more alive. Be blessed.